Well, if you're like me, then you've seen the information, hey, you can remove background from a picture simply by touching the picture in the middle. But I'm touching the picture in the middle and nothing's happening. So I did some research, and this is what you have to do. You need to go into your iPad settings, and under General, you need to choose right here, Software Update. And then down at the bottom, you'll see where it says Upgrade to iPad OS 16. You'll need to be doing that. And it'll take a little bit for this to actually download, and I will be right back. And I forgot to turn the sound back on after I updated to 16, so I'm going to try to describe what is happening on the screen, since I won't be able to remember exactly what I said. So we go from PROcreate to our photos, and let's choose one here. I think this one, and we tap on it, and it does a little magic thing, and we pull it away. Now we're going to use the finger of the other hand to go back into PROcreate and drop it onto the screen. And it works. I'm going to try doing another one. We get the little magic screen. Let's bring up PROcreate and see if we can drop it on here, and it's not letting us. So we probably need to have a new layer. Let's try that. We'll put a new layer on, then we'll go back and get the tiger. Use our other hand to get back into PROcreate. And it drops right on. That's wonderful. So just have to remember, if we're using this method, have a new layer selected whenever you're going to crop the background from a picture and put it into PROcreate. Let's choose this kitty cat, create a new layer, and then we'll do the same thing. Tap on the cat, you get the magic flash, start dragging it away, bring up PROcreate, drop it in, and we have a kitty cat walking towards us there. Okay, so now let's do this on a side-by-side. I'm going to tap on the 3 ellipses at the top. And we'll do split view. And we will choose our photos. There we go. Let's move this over here. Let's see. Now, I have noticed that, at least on the side-by-side, I can open up a picture, drag it over here, and it creates a layer called Inserted Image. You can, of course, also create a new layer. And drop that on there like that. Alright, so there we are. We can remove background from an image and pop it into PROcreate and use it to do our photo bashing. I hope this helps you out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.